Hello everybody. Here I come back with standard 4th subject EVS 1 lesson 3 part 1. Lesson 3 Storage of water. In this lesson, first only we are performing the activity, and this activity is very interesting manual. Here you will enjoy this activity. What you need for doing this activity, you need soil, stones, water, watering can. And this activity will not perform inside the house. This activity will perform outside the house. It's very interesting. You like that. First, you have to put some stones and make a heap of soil over that, and then what you have to do will make a small hillock of mud and stones in the house yard. Set some stones into the hillock and pour water over the hillock from the watering can like rain. Use the following points to study. In which direction does the water flow? Water flows in the downward directions. How does water flow on the steeper slope? You can see that water flows faster on the steeper slopes. You have to observe this also. How does it flow on the gentle slopes? On the gentle slopes, water flows comparatively slowly. You can see what happens when the stone cause an obstruction. You can see that when stone cause an obstruction, the water changes the direction. See how water change the directions. Where do puddles form? The puddles are formed at the places where small pits are formed. When does the direction of flow change? The direction of flow change when there is obstruction in between the flow of water. Now stop watering the hillock. Make observation using the following points. Why did the hillock dry when we stop pouring water? When we stop pouring water, some water seep into the soil of hillock and some water get evaporated and hence the hillock dried. How long did the hillock take to dry? The hillock took almost an hour to dry. Which part of the hillock dried quickly? You can see clearly that the stones at the bottom of hillock dried quickly. Which part took longer to dry? The soil of hillock took longer to dry. Why did it take longer to dry? The water in hillock took longer time to evaporate, hence it is longer to dry. You will realize that some rainwater flows away over the ground. Some water seeps into the ground. All the water we get comes from the rain. The rainy season lasts for 3 to 4 months. Along with us, all living things use this water all year round. If we do not store water, we will not have enough water for our needs. And that is why we have to save the water. Water must be used economically. Now we'll see the summary of part 1. We need material for doing this activity is collection of stones, soil, watering can and water. Second, do this activity outside the house, not inside the house. Okay. And the third, observe the flow of water and note in your notebook how the water is flowing. And the last, We need water daily for different purposes. Okay. Hope everybody like this part 1 and don't forget to do this activity your own. I hope you will enjoy this activity. Thank you.